Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model TM2 or Tool Room Mill 2. Serial number 43520. Machine was new in 2005. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a Cat 40 spindle up to 4,000 RPM. You have a 10.5 by 57 3/4 inch table with 40 inches of X-axis travel. Right now we're running the spindle, 1500 RPM. You have 40 inches of X, 16 of Y, and 16 of Z. And you also have a 10 tool, automatic tool changer. That's 3,500. Again, it goes up to 4. Machine has an enclosure, which is a little unusual for a TM2. But you do have hand wheels for your X and Y travels, if you wanted to use that. That's two simulated tool changers. Machine also has spider cool programmable coolant nozzle. That's the X-axis travel. Nice and quiet. Your Y. And your Z. All axes are quiet. Machine also has rigid tapping. Spider cool is moving. All right, hey, I think you've seen it all. Thank you for watching our video.